Hey everyone, and welcome to how to connect Coinbase to Delta. In this video I will show you how to track your Coinbase wallet or crypto portfolio using the Delta app over on your phone. Now the first thing you need to do is to go over to your Coinbase account and then you want to log in. Now once you're logged in, you just want to go over to this icon or your profile picture in the top right and click on it. Then you want to go over to settings and you'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now you just want to go over to API and then you want to click on it. You'll then see that you haven't created any API keys yet. So what you need to do is to go over to add new API key. Then you want to click on that and you need to fill in any two-factor authentication codes if you have those enabled. Now for me it's in the Google Authenticator and my Google Authenticator code is 622038. Then you want to click on verify and you'll then see your accounts. So all of the crypto wallets you would like to have an API for. API keys are for personal use only and they should never be given to third parties or services. However, in this case, you do have to give it to a third party because you want them, the third party, in this case Delta, to track your crypto portfolio. So you want to click on all, then scroll down and then you want to disable, so click on select none, you want to disable all of them and you just want to go over to wallet, user, read and click on that one. So I actually found out later in this video that you don't need to select wallet user read, but you need to go over to wallet accounts read. So please make sure to select it right now and then just let's get on with the video. Now if you want Delta to also track your trades, make sure to click on wallet trades read and basically everything that says read you could enable, you could do that. However, I'd recommend to not select all of them because why would Delta need to read all of it? For me, all they need to know is the cryptocurrencies I hold. So once you have selected the cryptocurrencies you want it to track, for me this will be all because I want to know everything I hold and the total worth, then you just want to click on wallet user read and then you want to scroll down and click on create. Enter the two-step verification code once again, so in this case right now it's 117872, and you want to click on verify once again and you'll then see your API keys details. Now you have the API key and the API secret. Obviously you should not share this with anyone because people can just see everything you have in your wallet. However, I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you guys because after this video I'll delete my key. Now what you need to do is to get your API key and your API secret key over on your phone. You can do this by sending yourself an email, yes that actually works, or what I like to do is to send it in a private WhatsApp group of mine. Of course you can also send it to a friend or someone you really trust. Now the next thing you need to do is to go over to your phone and download the Delta app. I've already done so I'll just go ahead and open up the app. And once it's loaded, you will most likely not see the screen I'm seeing right now. You'll see a screen looking similar to this one, but there's quite a big plus button in the middle of your screen and you just want to tap that. I can access this page as well, I just need to go over to the three lines in the top left and click on add new portfolio. Then you want to give your portfolio a name, for me it will be Coinbase API. And then you can click on create. Now under the my portfolio section you'll see Coinbase, your new wallet. Then you want to click on the white plus button in the middle of your screen once again and click on connect exchange account. Now please make sure to click on connect exchange account and don't accidentally click on connect wallet. You'll then see all of the exchanges you can connect to Delta. So you want to scroll down over to Coinbase and click on it. Then you want to click on I understand and fill in your API key. So you can just double click and click on paste. And then you have to do the same thing with your API secret. So just again click on paste, click on done, and you can then choose whatever it is you want to import. So import withdrawals or deposits, for me it's no, so I'm going to switch it off. And when you click on import you can select if you want to import all transactions since date, new transactions only or only my balances. For me it's import balances only because I only selected wallet, user, read, and then you want to click on add connection. And you'll then be sent over to your Coinbase wallet. Now as you guys can see this is my Coinbase portfolio. If there's anything that doesn't work for you or you don't understand, please ask me in the comments down below so I can help you out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.